We have breaking news from the Cadre Communications newsroom. According to latest reports and a few observations, it would appear that spring has sprung. Finally, a spring alert has been issued for this area for an indefinite amount of time. Stay tuned to the Cadre Communications broadcast empire for further updates as they become available. It survived. It always survives. I want it to die. This thing has been found in the neighbor's yard. It's been found in the neighbor's yard. Unbelievable. Anyway, from the 11th time down this particular road that we're going to be on today, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today, we're doing a pork loin. A bacon-wrapped pork loin. This bacon-wrapped pork loin, even though we've done this 10 times, I think, already, has a bit of a twist. What's going to make this one special is this stuff right here. What is this, you may ask? This is what is known as Root Boy Rub number 3. It's experimental. I promise I have not opened this until now. I do this for you guys. Sal, you know what you're doing. This has a good little kick to it. It's not overpowering. I mean, it's not going to send anyone to the couch in the fetal position saying, oh, that's too hot. This is just right. What else is going to make this pork loin memorable is that we're going to go kind of old school with this stuff. Yes, sir. This is Bronco Bob's roasted raspberry chipotle sauce. I think it's going to work really well with that hot rub. This is from my second or third video ever on this channel. We basted some ribs. Actually, we mocked a rack of ribs with this stuff. And without any more further subjective delaying ado, I think we ought to get this party started. It all begins with a single flame. Look at that, set it and forget it. 310 degrees on the grill dome. I want this temperature between 300 and 350 degrees. So I love this thing, man. After all these years, the grill dome rocks. All right. And as the sun slowly sinks in the western sky, quit flickering light. Yeah, it's been longer than half an hour. It's probably been about 45 to 50 minutes. I've been purposely holding the temperature down a little bit on this because I want a nice slow cook. It's been a long time. But my expertise in this matter says that it's time to start mopping with this stuff. Something I haven't had in 10 years, haven't been able to find in 10 years. And words cannot convey how excited this moment is for me. I've been waiting for this for hundreds of years. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The memories come flooding back. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Let's mop. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, the bacon is starting to crisp up a little bit. This is a thick, thick sauce too. Oh man. This is the sort of what I began this channel doing. Working with this product right here. It works as a glaze. It shines as a mop. It's just what we're gonna do. Like I mentioned earlier too, this is gonna candy up the bacon quite a bit. Yes, my 11th pork loin video on smoky goodness may just be my best. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that go and let it set up. I'm gonna come out, mop it again and again and again and again. All right, about 15, maybe 20. I don't really think 20 minutes has gone by. It's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna give this another mop. Oh man, that looks good. Oh yeah, this is a thick sauce like I mentioned. It's just setting up perfectly on here. All right, since I've only got about 5 to 6 minutes left on this card, I'm gonna repeat this process until we reach an internal temperature of, like I said, about 145 to 150 on this. And we'll bring you back for the final shebang. You know what I'm saying. Bring you back for the magic of smoky goodness. See you then. Or something. And like I mentioned a couple of times before, I let this cook go for probably about 2 hours, maybe a little over 2 hours, because I started everything off low and slow. Gradually ramped up the heat to, right now it's showing it about 340 right now. So I just checked the temperature of the pork loin. It's ranging between, did I say 340 on, yeah, 340 on the grill dome. The internal temperature is ranging anywhere from about 148 to 152 in various locations throughout the pork loin. It's time to pull it off and eat. But just before I pull it off, one last little bit of magic. I'm gonna lay in a bead for the pork loin to rest upon. Okay, big white oval plate. Prepare yourself and be thankful for the gifts that you are about to receive. Oh yeah. Oh man, does that smell and look good or what? All right. And what a gift this is. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Delish. We don't want to waste any time with formalities. Let's get this in. Let's let it rest. And then we'll dig in. Smoky Goodness 2.0. This is great.
But I'm just because